Self-introduction for freshers. Good morning everyone. My name is Anthony, and I am delighted to introduce myself today. I am a first-year student pursuing Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at ABC College of Engineering and Technology. I completed my schooling at Government Higher Secondary School, where I developed a strong foundation in physics and mathematics. I have always been passionate about my interest in problem-solving and decoding nature, which led me to choose this course. I believe it will help me develop my skills and knowledge in data science and artificial intelligence in technological aspects. I have a keen interest in problem-solving technique, teamwork, leadership and time management. I enjoy working on cybersecurity, analytical ethics of technology, which have helped me enhance my abilities in critical problem-solving. Apart from academics, I love music, sports, reading, and cooking, which gives me a peace of mind. I have been actively involved in NSS as a member and served as a student. My goal is to become a data analyst in cybersecurity. I am excited to learn, grow, and contribute to the best of my ability. I am looking forward to an amazing journey ahead, learning from my peers and professors. Thank you for your time.